Welcome back. Today, let's tackle the dreaded cough with some easy home remedies. Instead of running to the pharmacy, try these natural, affordable remedies. First up, honey and warm water. Mix a tablespoon of honey into warm water or herbal tea. Sip throughout the day to soothe your throat. Next, ginger tea. Boil ginger slices in water, add honey and lemon for taste. This boosts your immune system and soothes your cough. Steam inhalation helps clear airways. Add eucalyptus oil for extra relief. Lastly, gargle salt water to reduce throat inflammation. These remedies are simple and effective. If your cough persists, see a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and happy. Catch you in the next one.